Victoria Wool Processors is one of Australia's largest wool processors, based in Laverton North in Melbourne's west.
We are what's called an early stage wool processor, so we take the wool off the farms. A bale of wool when it arrives here is about 52% wool and 48% is things that we have to remove, take away from the wool. And that really is our job, is to clean all that up and send out 100% wool.
This is done by washing the wool in water and detergent, a process known as scouring, and then using sulfuric acid, friction and heat to remove the vegetable matter. Wash bowls, rinse bowls and acidizing bowls are used in the process.
Putting the wool through 6 wash bowls. The first 3 are heated to about 65 degrees and detergent is added before it's rinsed in the last 3 and then dried.
Wool washing accounts for the majority of drinking water used on site, although the steam generated by boilers also requires a great deal of water. Victoria Wool Processors participated in City West Water's Steam System Efficiency Program, which provided an audit focusing on how their business could optimise the efficiency of boiler room equipment and condensate return systems.
There were 3 major recommendations from the audit. The first one was a change in procedure on our shutdown of the boiler, which we implemented almost straight away. As soon as we read it, we realised that this was very simple. We were amazed at how much it saved on startups.
The audit revealed that it takes Victoria Wool Processors at least 4 hours to warm up the boiler, in order for it to generate steam for its wool scouring processes, depending on the season. This presented an opportunity to reduce boiler startup times by isolating the main steam lines from the boiler to maintain boiler pressure. This small change in operation keeps the boiler warm and improves water, energy and production efficiency. Victoria Wool Processors has since implemented the audit's recommendations for boiler startup.
It was really just going out and 5 minutes discussion with our fitters to explain the change in procedure. There was no capital cost involved at all.
By reducing the boiler startup time by up to 2 hours, Victoria Wool Processors has noticed a 5% reduction on gas usage since the change was made. This is equivalent to over 1,000 tonnes of greenhouse gas emissions per year and also reduces their gas bill.
The savings have been about $3,000 per startup, and we probably have 40 startups per year, so it's potentially $120,000 worth of savings for that 5-minute conversation with our fitter and the advice from the City West Water auditor.
This is just one of the efficiency improvements that Victoria Wool Processors has put in place. They're currently working with City West Water to implement other recommendations identified in the steam audit report, which includes improvements in boiler equipment and their condensate return system.
I guess one of the advantages of this is we are wool scourers. We don't really understand the boiler operations. You don't get really advice from your boiler water treatment people or your boiler service people. This was completely outside, thinking about things that you really don't consider. So some of them were very, very easy to implement solutions that we hadn't even thought of.
Having invested in steam system efficiency, Victoria Wool Processors will continue to save precious water, energy and money for many years to come.